Hello everyone, welcome to another video. By the way, this is Jimbo Morales and you're watching Gmo TV. So karon nga video, pagkawato na ko is maghatag ko ninyo review regarding aning product na akong gitake for more than a month na. So I've started using this atong pagkabato na ko aning tinnitus. When I have this tinnitus, I started using this. So I started taking this to hope na makatabang sa kuang gibati kay mainly dili ko katulog tungod sa nature sa akong trabaho tungod po sa tinnitus. And I think it's time for me to give you guys my thoughts if this product is worth buying for. So the product is Natural Melatonin Advanced Sleep. Advanced formulation to promote better sleep, fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and it's 100% drug free. And it's in 10 milligrams for 60 tablets. Ito shot 60 tablets and ito 100. So explain ko muna kung bakit dalawa to. Binili namin to ng kapatid ko through iHerb. Basta iHerb.com. Yung location is sa US, and unfortunately more than a month na hindi pa rin siya na-deliver, and then upon checking sa tracking number, na-stuck siya sa isang lugar. So I filed a complaint sa iHerb customer service, and then they said na so it's been a while, wala pa rin galaw yung shipment, so they decided to have it refunded. So I thought na na-return to sender yung order. Credit card ng sister ko ang ginamit, so I expected na she got fully refunded. And after that, so since ang expectation namin is na return to sender and then refunded yung kapatid ko, so we've decided to just buy this 60 tablets na bottle. Yung pagbili ko nito, pag uwi ko sa bahay, yung pag-check ko, nakabukas siya. So ito yung laman niya sa loob. Ito yung pagka-open ko, ganito yung tsura, wala. Tanggal yung sealant niya. Yung sealed niya. So I called Health Option kasi binili ko to sa Health Option. Tinawagan ko sila kung bakit ganito, ganyan. And then hindi siya sealed. So sabi nila pag mga ganito kasi na lagayan, 60 tablets na bottle, is ganito lang siya yung takip niya. Wala siya yung palang plastic na nakarap dito sa cap. So, sinabi naman na sa akin na if I want to return this for replacement, pwede ko naman gawin. But I asked them as their assurance if okay naman tong melatonin na to. Sabi na okay naman. So, hindi ko lang siya ni-return. So, ginamit ko na lang siya. And then, itong kasing 100 tablets na melatonin na bottle is may may nakarap pa siya. Yung isa kasi wala. So, the reason why I bought this one, kasi nung nagtatrabaho ako as a call center agent, nahirapan akong matulog sa umaga kasi panggabi yung trabaho ko. And then, mas lalo pang grumabe kasi nagkaroon ako ng tinnitus. Lalo akong di makatulog sa umaga. I've tried Sleepasil, I've tried Sleepwell, I've also taken stress tabs, and unfortunately, hindi siya nag-work. Malaki yung expectation ko dito. So, when I got this one, I tried it immediately. Nung pag-take ko nito isang beses, na-notice ko, nakakatulog ako agad. But the problem is, yung problema ko kasi, nakakatulog ako but nagigising ko after an hour or two. The rest of the day, hindi na ako nakakabalik ng tulog. Parang yun lang yung tulog ko sa buong araw, and then kinagabihan, tatrabaho na naman. So, it's really risky para sa katawan ko na hindi nakatulog because it's affecting my work. Hindi ako perform ng maayos. So, when I take this melatonin, this brand, Natrol, I've noticed na nakakatulog agad ako. But the problem is, ganun pa rin siya, nakakatulog ako immediately. The difference lang is, nung hindi ko pa ito tinitin, nakakatulog ako. But, sobrang tagal, and then, an hour or two lang yung tulog ko. So, yun yung problema. So, upon taking this one, na-notice ko nakakatulog agad ako. But, sometimes, na-notice ko na bigla na lang akong nagigising after 2 or 3 hours, and hindi na ako nakakabalik tulog. But overall, I think nakakatulong naman tong product na to. Kung yung kiniklaim talagang nakakatulong to sa pagtulog ko. Now, since I quit my job, nakakatulog na ako paggabi. Pag hindi ako nakakatulog, I take this one, and then nakakatulog na ako. And the good thing is, it really helps me to sleep like sex 6, 7, or 8 hours a day. So I really like this product and nakakatulong talaga siya. And the other reason why I chose this specific na natural melatonin kasi may 5%, 3%, and ito 10% at it says maximum strength. So I chose diba para kasi yung time na yun sobrang parang addict ako, hindi na ako nakatulog. Sobrang worse. Grabe, yung katawan ko sobrang pagod na hindi mo alam, yung parang every time na nag-usap kami ng supervisor ko for coaching, parang bangag ako. Para akong addict. Hindi na ako makakaintindi ng coaching. So now, I think I'm back to normal. Nakakatulog na ako. But every time na di ako nakakatulog, I really am taking this one. So based sa experience ko na nagtitake ako nito, it's good and I can sleep well. And also, it says here, amount per serving. It has vitamin B6, may vitamin B6 siya, and then calcium. Vitamin B6 niya pala is 10 mg, and then the calcium is 23 mg, and then the melatonin 10 mg. So I thought lang it's pure talaga ng melatonin content ng per tablet, but may mga vitamins din siya, vitamin B6 and calcium. So I guess that's all for this video, and if you have any question, I'm not really sure if I've already shared enough information if this product is really worth buying, or if worth it pa to na bibilin. But for me, I think it's really worth it. I bought this one for 600 plus. Ito 600 plus is health 599. Basta 600 siya around dyan na price, 600 plus. So I guess that's all for this video. If you have any question, just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer you guys, or any comment or any suggestion, any violent reaction. Basta just comment down below. Okay? So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I have a new video uploaded in this channel, you will be notified. Once again, thank you so much for watching GMO TV, and may you all have a wonderful day. God bless you all, be safe, and bye for now.